Hello there, my name is Ash, I'm the Service Desk Manager here at Impact Computing, and in this video I wanted to show you what's possible with Microsoft 365's collaboration and co-authoring. Before we start, please bear in mind that certain parts of Microsoft 365 may need to be set up before collaboration and co-authoring will work. But I wanted to show you what was possible and how we use these features ourselves to save time and work together on projects effectively, especially when working remotely or working from different locations. Applications that support collaboration are Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and these features work on the latest desktop versions of Microsoft Office and using the web apps. So the first thing I'd like to show you is how we actually share a file. So you can see I have a file here in my OneDrive. You can actually see that it's already shared with others due to the little icon that we get there. To share this with others, I'm going to right click on the file, go to share. I want to share this with Simon, so I'm going to enter his name in that box. I'm going to hit send. So that will send Simon an email invitation to edit this document. So if I edit that document, and you'll be able to see that when Simon joins us in here, as he's just done, his icon appears there at the top. It shows us where he is, tells us that he's editing it, and we can actually see him editing that in real time. While he's making some changes to that file, I'd like to show you Microsoft Teams. Here we have a Teams channel, and Simon's already a member of this Teams channel, so I would like to add a file that we can work on together. So I'm going to create a Word file in the Files tab. And to make it a little bit easier to find, I'm also going to pin it to the top, so I'm going to create a tab where I can show a Word file. I'm going to post that to the channel as well so Simon can see that. We'll also rename that project. So this works in a very similar way. When Simon opens the project, he'll be able to work on that real time, and we'll see that he's also editing it. So again, we can see that Simon's editing this file. You can see that he's editing that in real time. What I'd like to do is, if I go away from that document now, and we'll leave Simon editing it, it will actually notify us of any new changes. So if we give that a moment and go back to it, we should get a notification that Simon's made some changes and see what those are. If we go back to the other document, you can see here that Simon's made some changes. I'd also like to show you a few other things. So we actually have a comments tab as well. So if I wanted to comment on this, I could comment or mention. So Simon will be able to see that when he comes back to this. There's also the revision history as well, so we can actually access this up here. So every time a change is made to the document, it will have a revision, so we'll be able to reverse any changes that have been made. If we go back to the Teams channel, again, we can see that Simon's made some changes, so it notifies us about those changes and we can see what those are. The collaboration works in exactly the same way for Excel and PowerPoint, and if we both had access to a shared OneDrive location, we would both be able to open the files from there without sharing them first. Thank you for watching. If you would like to know more about Microsoft 365 and how it can help transform your business, or if you have any questions about the content in this video, please give us a call and we'd be happy to help. Please see our website and help centre, and check out our social media for more info.